welcome to Mrs.Sa's Tips and Tricks. If you're new to the channel, this channel is all about doing life skills and cooking, and today we're going to work on sorting the laundry. So when we're sorting the laundry, we want to make sure that we're not mixing the darks with the whites, because what happens is sometimes the dye that's still in the material can leak into the water and it makes everything, for example, we'll make it blue if it's from the towel. So we're always going to sort the whites and the darks separately before we add it to the wash. So we're just going to keep sorting the darks into one pile and the whites to another pile. Dark, dark, white, white. And it's usually pretty quick. And this is something you can help at home with. When your parents are doing the laundry, give them a hand. Okay, I think we got more darks than we do whites. There. Now that's all sorted, and then the next video after this is going to be using the washing machine. Okay, see you in the next video.